What's up everybody? Welcome to the Content Craze. My name is Lissa and today we're going to talk about understanding your YouTube analytics as a small YouTuber and which analytics you should be focusing on right now. Now the Content Craze is a new channel for me. It is not my first channel, but it is a new channel. So I thought it would be a great idea to take you into my analytics and show you exactly what it is I am focusing on and why. So let's jump right in. So here we are on my channel dashboard, and this is going to just give me a quick little overview on things that are happening in my channel. But I want to dive deeper. I want to know what's going on with my videos. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and click Analytics. And again, this is more of my channel analytics. Right now, this channel only has 2 videos up. You can see them right over here underneath the real-time views. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and take a look at the first video that I posted. This video was posted 3 days ago, so my analytics report is a little more refined than my other video is going to be. One of the first things that I pay attention to is my audience retention report. And what I love about this is that you can click on See More and it will bring up your video along with this graph. Now it says that my video has a 37% audience retention rate. So I went on to Google and I did a search to find out what is the average audience retention rate on a YouTube video, and it turns out it's 35 to 40%. So this video is on the higher end of average, which is really good. Now this graph will tell me a whole bunch of things about what my audience likes and dislikes about my videos, and I'm going to show you right now how to interpret that. The first thing most people are going to see is this drop right. This drop comes right at the beginning where I do my introduction and I ask a question to engage with my audience. This may mean that my audience just doesn't like that, and that's okay. You notice I did not do that at the beginning of this video because I wanted to see if I'm still going to get that drop off. I also talk about right here in the beginning about my previous channel. I'm going to mute this, but you can actually click on a part like right here where I get a peek and I can see what's going on in my video at that point. This is where I show my statistics from my other channel. But right here, from about 51 seconds to about 2 minutes, I have about a 40% view duration. What this means, this steady line here, it means that people are watching my video. It means I'm keeping people engaged. And in this span, I am specifically talking about the meat of my video, what people came to see. But then when I start losing people is when I start talking about doing your keyword research and the things that you need to take into consideration. I start to lose people there. And I think the reason for that is because I'm just telling you about it. I'm not showing it to you. So that is something that I am doing differently now with adding a little more tutorial type videos to see how you guys respond to that. So this report will tell you a whole bunch about what your audience wants to see, so make sure you pay attention to it. The other things you want to focus on, you'll notice that this video has gained 3 subscribers. That means that this video provided enough valuable content for 3 people to subscribe to my channel. And I'm also going to come over here and take a look at the reach tab. What I'm going to pay attention to here on the reach tab is this funnel here. Now it shows that I have 94 impressions, which means that my video thumbnail and title has been shown to 94 different people. And 3.2% of that is from YouTube recommending my content on the home page. If you hover over this little eye right here, it'll show you that 3.2% of that is from YouTube putting my video on people's home pages to see if they respond to it. My click-through rate right now is a 13.8%. YouTube says the average click-through rate is between 2 and 10%. So this is a bit high, yes, but over time this is going to drop down. And the reason for that is when you first publish a video, YouTube sends that video out to a few of your subscribers, not all of them. but a few of them, the ones that watch your videos the most, the ones that interact with your videos the most, to see how they do with it. And so your click-through rate is going to be higher. But as YouTube starts showing your video to a wider audience, your click-through rate is going to start to drop, and that is completely normal. We're also going to go over to the audience tab because there's one more thing that I want to show you that you should be paying attention to, and that is your watch time from subscribers. You'll notice here that 88% of my views are coming from non-subscribers and 11% are coming from subscribed. And this is actually really, really good. Well, as I said, YouTube will only show your videos to a portion of your subscribers, which is why it's really important that your subscribers have their notifications turned on so that they can get notified when you post a video, because YouTube isn't going to show it to all of your subscribers. So 11% of my views come from my subscribers, but 88% of my views are coming from non-subscribers, which means that my video is reaching more than just my subscribers. I'm reaching new people. This is what you want. You want your videos to be reaching out to new people so that you can bring more people into your channel. Now, I'm going to show you why you should wait a few days to check your analytics, because we're going to take a look at my other video, which just posted yesterday. And we're going to see that I don't have all of these analytics yet. This is where I actually do a tutorial that shows you the step-by-step process of using Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy to come up with your topic idea and to come up with your keywords, your tags, and your titles. You'll see the first thing you'll notice here is the audience retention. I don't have that graph, and that's just because it hasn't been up long enough. And you'll see that my audience retention rate is 19%, which is really low. However, I don't expect it to stay like that, because yesterday when I checked my first video, it had a 33% audience retention rate, and today it has a 37% audience retention rate. It has gone up 4%. So what's happening here is that the metrics haven't all come in yet, but there are still a few things that I can check. I go into reach and I can still check my funnel. It's not telling me how much is recommended by YouTube because it's still a new video and they probably haven't, and YouTube is still waiting to see how it's going to perform among my subscribers. So right now, again, very high click-through rate. It says that I have a 15.4% click-through rate. That's going to drop down. But if you notice, my funnel says I have an average view duration of 3 minutes. My last video had an average view duration of 2 minutes. And if I go into my audience tab, I can see that 64% of my views are coming from non-subscribers and 23% are coming from subscribers. But right now, the reason that my views from subscribers is so much higher on this video than it is on my other video is because YouTube is showing this video right now to a certain percentage of my subscribers. And as time goes on, they're going to start showing it to more people to see how they do with it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.